Hello everybody, as you can see I hit 2400 rating and I'm going to show you how the game looks like on this rating. One thing I must say is that still I don't see the super high level chess. We don't have many end games. We usually just finish the game because somebody blunders. So it's not something I'm proud of. I expect to start having like serious games at 2500. I'm going to see how far I can go, because for now it looks like I hit 50 points a week. I must say, I'm 2400 rated, but I had problems hitting this rating, so I just wonder how far I can go for now. Also, if I lose this game or I win this game, I'm gonna post it anyway. So yeah, let's talk about the position. It was the queen's gambit. I have an isolated pawn, but the difference is that he's got a very closed bishop. So that's the advantage I'm gonna try to take. That's the feature I'm gonna try to take advantage of. He has less space, so I should try not to trade any pieces. I'm just going to move bishop to h2. Okay, just castling. And here I think he will want to play bishop d6 in the future, to just trade my to just trade the bishops. Another thing that I'm wondering about, another move that I'm considering is knight b5, just to check the d6 square so he doesn't play bishop d6. But I'm gonna play knight e5, and yes, I will need to remember that this point is a little bit quick. And immediately after the rook goes away from a8, I'm going to attack this pawn. This is something I do really often. Whenever the rook moves, I attack the pawn with the knight, and when he pushes the pawn forward, I play knight a7 with an attack on the rook. Maybe I should take before. I'm gonna take, and then knight a7. But oh yeah, knight a7. Now I said oh yeah because I looked at queen c7, but queen c7 is just going to be met with knight g6, so everything is good. And here, yes, I want to play knight c6. Oh. I think we have lost. I think we have lost the game. Okay, so I'm just going to play crazy moves now. Knight g4. I mean, there's nothing I can do. I made a mistake. And I'm gonna publish it anyway. kind of wasting time now. Yeah, but well, I really always think, why do these people think so much? Like, it's simple moves, the rook c8 or anything like this. Okay, bishop d5, and let me just surrender because there is nothing I can do. I'm just pieced down. So yeah, guys, the only thing I can tell you, only tip I could tell you from this game is that my original plan was to play here and then play knight a7, but then I changed the plan, and after you change the plan, you sometimes forget about the little details, that now the queen can go to a8. And yeah, that's it. See ya in the 2450 rating video. Bye.